Hey YouTube, I'm back again to do another video. First of all, another blooper for you. First of all, got it out right. I want to wish everybody that's married, single, whatever, a happy Valentine's Day. I hope everybody got lots of cards and lots of flowers and presents and chocolates galore. Whereas me, I didn't get chocolate. I got a new pair of shoes and new clothes and this, which I've been wanting for a while. So what I'm gonna do, I'm doing a special unboxing and an unpackaging in one. So first of all, the unpackaging sort of thing, and I got, this was my Valentine's present. It is the manga of Itchy. There is the spine, there is the front, there is the back. Let's open up inside. Let's I'm going crazy today, not. There's the disc. Now this is amazing inside artwork, printed. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, if I tilt it a bit, yeah, that's better. So that is the unpackaging part of it, even though it's already opened. And we have next, well, the unboxing sort of thing. So I thought to do 2 in 1. So let's see what's inside this bad boy then. Because when I came back from Southport, this was at the door, so all posted. Oh, it's a DVD. It is Alien vs Ninja. Now this is the front, this is the back. No inside artwork, obviously, with it being a DVD. And there's the disc itself. So I've done something a little bit different today. So first of all, I got Itchy on Blu-ray for my Valentine's Day present, which is the manga sort of thing, which I've been wanting for a while. And I got Alien vs Ninja. So this is what I got. And I hope you like my video. As always, like my videos if you like them. If you don't like them, just don't watch it. Comment nice comments only, because if you haven't got anything nice to say, then don't say nothing at all. And if you like what you see, subscribe. So I'm Keza, and also known as Skylar Loves Gory Movies. Nice name. I'm going to be signing out now, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.